Today we are going to replace a new screen for Samsung Galaxy A50. As you can see, the screen is smashed. To open this device, we need to heat the back plastic with heat gun with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds, and as we need. In this model of the phone, we don't have flex cables for the fingerprint, but we have flex cable for the touch screen to the main board and from the charging board to the main board. These flex cables are located on the middle. We don't need to push the plastic piece in this middle, otherwise we could indeed cut one of these flex cables. All we have to do is to push to the edges. We don't need to go inside too much. But in the bottom, we have in the bottom there is too much adhesive. We need just to push and put the plastic piece to that point, and that's it. Now we can continue pushing and removing the back plastic. I will leave you with the video for a few seconds. I will come back. As you can see, the flex cable, it's on the middle. Now we are going to remove all the screws from the frame. After that, we need to remove the SIM card slot. We can't do anything without removing it. Now we can just push the frame from the back housing. There is two kinds of replacing a new screen. There is one screen comes without frame and one comes with frame. In this tutorial we are going to replace the screen with new frame. The old frame will be removed. Always remove the battery flex cable, then you can continue removing all pieces. I'm going to remove the wires, the antenna, the flex cables of the screen, and one to the main board. Now we are going to remove this black screw. Now we can remove the board from the top. Continue removing the other flex cable. Now the board is out. Now we are going to remove the sensor, the proximity sensor of the fingerprint. We are going to remove it. Remove the antenna. We have two antennae in here. Remove them. Now I'm going to remove the charging board. If you see there is too much pressure to remove it, please don't remove it. I advise you to put some heat because it's stuck with the adhesive under it. I'm going to use the heat gun. Yeah, it's stuck. I don't want to break it. You should be wise. You can use the heat gun at 2 Celsius degree. Put some for a few seconds and then it's okay, and it will be easy to be removed. You will see now the difference, the heat what can mix. See, it's removed easily now. Now let's continue removing the ear speaker. After that we have the vibrator. We have left here camera, the camera lenses. Okay, seems the front camera is broken when the customer damaged the screen. Yeah, I didn't notice that in the beginning, but seems it's broken. I should let him be updated of this if he want to replace it or not. Continue remove the vibrator or the vibration. This is the small piece making the device to be vibrated. All what we have left is the battery. We are going now to remove the battery. You can just put the plastic post piece inside and remove it. Don't push or curve or bend the battery too much. This could be dangerous to you. Any force could make the battery to be exploded. This is very serious. I'm always scared while we are taking with batteries or dealing with batteries. What I'm putting now, it's alcohol. The alcohol make the adhesive not working. That's why I'm putting some alcohol. It's not water, it's alcohol. It's 99%, the one I'm using for PCP. As you can see, now the screen frame is out totally. Now I'm having a new screen with frame totally. This is a original screen of A50. It's the best on the market in my country. It's not too cheap. It costs a good money. First, we are going to remove all the stickers from the position. It's important to remove them all. Then we will put the pieces one by one. Starting with the ear speaker, the vibrator, this is the broken camera. The customer didn't told me to replace it, he just wanted me to put it as it was. He said that replacing the screen is enough for now. He didn't want to spend extra money on fixing the front camera. I'm always want the best for you. I hope the quality of the video is very best for you. Please, if you have any suggestion, please let me note it in the comments. I'm open mind for any improvements on my channel. I really care my friends on the channel and the followers. Now I don't know if you need me. I'm going just to put the pieces that we have already removed. You should be able to do that by yourself. If you have any concern or you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below. I think this will be the end for now. This was a tutorial of replacing a new screen with frame for the Samsung A50. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Your subscribe support the channel too much. Please don't hesitate to put that click on our channel. I'm always got your back. Peace. One thing to mention, it's important to test the new screen before proceeding with the assembly of the device. No need to make the job twice. You can just check it if it's working alright. The phone is working, the screen is working, the touch screen is working, everything is right. Then you can proceed with the assemble. It's very important and it's very necessary. Some people doesn't accept the screen when it's being tested or remove the sticker from it. So this is important for you to do. Now I'm going to remove all the adhesive, the solid adhesive, and it's very necessary to be removed. We are going because to put a new adhesive. Why I'm going to use the heat gun? I'm using the heat gun because of the old adhesive. The old adhesive needs some heat to be like fresh again. I want this adhesive to be soft so the back plastic will fit correctly to the frame. This is very important to do. If you have an old adhesive, as you can see, everything seems perfect like the company. I like doing this job. Peace.